How to add Printify as a production partner on Etsy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's get started with how you will be able to do this. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go over here and add a new store. Ensure that you add Etsy as a new store over here in Printify so we could import or publish some products from Printify to our Etsy. After connecting it, create a product. It doesn't really matter what product. Create a product with your design and publish it inside of Etsy. After going to your Etsy, since I don't have a store right now in Etsy, we could show you this small explanation over here where what you're going to do is after you publish a product from Printify to Etsy, you visit their shop management or like the product management over here as you can see, and you're going to look for a specific product that you want to edit. Then under that, there's a section at the bottom, you can see here in their clip, that it will allow you to have or create a production partner option over here. And then you're going to basically select all of this information, enter this necessary information to be able to use Printify as a production partner in Etsy. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.